Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. With ABSAC's online sport program, I'm your social studies teacher with week 8 class 5 task. Let me share objectives of the week. We will learn this week about why do we use calendars, how the lunar and solar calendars are different. We will learn about a decade, a century and a millennium, and of course new vocabulary words. Let me share with you a brief history about calendar. Why did calendars start? When human civilizations began, farmers needed a calendar that would fix the dates for the beginning and end of different seasons of the year so that crops can be planted and harvested on time. Why do we need calendar today? To record or schedule events, to plan for production and delivery of goods and services, etc. Okay, let me explain you the difference between solar and lunar calendar. Solar calendar is also known as Gregorian calendar, whereas the lunar calendar is also known as Hijri calendar. Number of days Earth takes to orbit the Sun the solar calendar will be based on that. Whereas Islamic lunar calendar is based on the number of days the moon takes to make one complete orbit around the Earth, which is 29 days, the actual time between two moons. Solar calendar has 365 days in a year, whereas a lunar calendar consists of 354 days. End of every fourth year of a day is added in the solar calendar, and that year is known as leap year. You must be familiar with that. And the days of those years are 366 days. In lunar calendar, months systematically shift about 11 days forward each year with respect to the months of solar calendar. Okay, Gregorian calendar is used in the whole world, whereas we Muslims use lunar calendar in all the Muslim countries to confirm the days for religious celebration and observances. For example, nowadays we are observing the holy month of Ramadan. Similarly, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, etc. Okay, there is a decade is a period of 10 years, whereas a century is a period of 100 years and a millennium is a period of 1000 years respectively. There is timeline given about decade, century and a millennium in your textbook. You can consult that. Okay, after reading pages 33 to 35, you will come towards your task. You will write the meanings of any 5 difficult words from pages 33 to 35 and you will learn spellings of difficult words. You will study an Islamic calendar and a Gregorian calendar given on page 33. There is a timeline given on page 35 which will give you conceptual clarity about a decade, century and millennium, and then you will draw a timeline to understand the decade, century and millennium concept. You can take help from page 35 of your textbook, and I am also attaching a link with this presentation, and that link will help you to understand the leap year and you will get more information about leap year. I wish you all to have a very blessed last Ashra of Ramadanul Mubarak and a wonderful Eid day ahead.